Welcome back to Code with Bani. Today we learn about networking and why networking is essential for hacking. What is networking? Networking refers to the process of creating, building, and maintaining relationships between devices, systems, and people to facilitate communication, data exchange, and resource sharing. In computer systems, networking enables devices to communicate, share resources, and exchange data. Why is networking essential for ethical hacking? Networking is crucial for ethical hacking because it allows hackers to identify vulnerabilities by understanding network protocols, devices, and configurations, uh, scan and enumerate networks using tools like Nmap to find open ports and services, exploit vulnerabilities by leveraging knowledge of network protocols and devices to gain unauthorized access, maintain access by establishing a foothold in the network and keeping access to compromised systems. Mastering networking is the foundation for every ethical hacker. Phase 1: Networking Fundamentals. Start with the TCP/IP model, which includes the application, transport, internet, and link layers. For example, the application layer handles protocols like HTTP and FTP, while the transport layer manages data delivery. Study protocols like HTTP, FTP, SSH, and DNS to understand how data moves across networks. Learn about routers, switches, firewalls, and other network devices. Knowing how they work helps you spot weaknesses, understand different network topologies such as LAN, WAN, and Wi-Fi networks, and how each impacts security. Try setting up a small home network to practice these concepts. Phase 2: Network Scanning and Enumeration. Learn to use Nmap for network scanning and enumeration. Use it to discover open ports, services, and operating systems. For example, run a simple Nmap scan on your local network to see which devices are connected. Understand different types of port scans, including TCP SIM scan, UDP scan, and X scan, and when to use each. Learn to enumerate services and identify potential vulnerabilities by analyzing scan results. Practice by scanning a test environment and documenting your findings. Phase 3: Network Exploitation. Use vulnerability scanners like Nessus and OpenWare to identify vulnerabilities in your network. For example, scan a virtual machine to find outdated software or misconfigurations. Learn to use exploitation frameworks like Metasploit to exploit weaknesses and test defenses. After gaining access, understand post-exploitation techniques such as privilege escalation and lateral movement. Try escalating privileges on a test system or moving between devices in a lab environment. Always practice in a legal controlled setting. Phase 4: Network Security. Learn about firewalls, including